Welcome to our latest Sigma Live Hangouts. Today we have Natasha Kiprianidis, who is the Head of Digital Banking and Innovation at Hellenic Bank. Welcome, Natasha.
Thanks for having me.
If we can just start off with the new awards that you received from Global Finance as Cyprus's Best Consumer and Corporate Institutional Digital Bank. If you can just explain to us, what does this award mean for the bank?
Sure. Well, we're very proud to have been receiving this award it's actually two awards for the past 3 consecutive years. And this shows our commitment to our customers in delivering a more superior digital banking service and more innovative and easy to use products.
Can you just explain to us what exactly are the Global Finance Awards and why they're significant?
Sure. Well, these awards were introduced around 17 years ago, especially the Global Finance Best Digital Banks Awards. And now they're acknowledged by the industry as the benchmark for firms that are leaders in financial services.
Hellenic Bank is pushing a lot its digital related projects, shall we say. Can you just explain to us what's coming in the pipeline and when they will be introduced?
Yeah. So we have grouped, let's say, what's coming into 3 main pillars. And I'll start with the first one, which is our web banking service, which is really the preferred choice of channel for our customers still. And we're actually revamping our web banking service completely, and we will be delivering something to make an impact, hopefully, with the new year. So in 2017, that's coming. And it's being designed to become consistent with that simplicity and that inspirational user experience of our mobile app. So that's what we're doing with our web banking, and it will be delivered first for our premium customers, and then for individuals. The second pillar is our website. So that's the first touch point really for customers, and we're revamping that too. And again, we're hoping to deliver something that's pioneering for the standards of Cyprus, not just in the banking sector. So we're building a needs-based website, starting from the way that content is presented in that more simple way, so that you don't have to know banking to understand what it's trying to explain, really. And also in the navigation towards finding what you need. Sometimes customers don't even know what they need. So this type of website will help in every way possible, so they don't have to reach out to call centers and branches. And then the third pillar is our mobile app, which is, even though it was launched around 8 to 9 months ago now, we're still working on it, and we're delivering. We have a target to deliver every 4 to 6 weeks a new release of new features. So just the summary of what we're doing at the moment.
Okay, generally speaking now, in recent years, digital banking has obviously taken an increased significance for customers. First of all, why do you think that is? And second of all, particularly for, shall we say, older customers, how do you adapt these products for them as well?
Right. Well, if we say that 78% of the population now owns a smartphone, and half of those people, within minutes of waking up, they feel that they want to check their phone before they do anything else, then we're talking about a completely new lifestyle and new habits. And as banks, we need to catch up with that kind of lifestyle, which is why we, again, as I mentioned earlier, we introduced our mobile app, which is actually a groundbreaking mobile banking app, and it has received a lot of international acclaim already. And so that product really addresses the new generations, but it's also been successful with older generations already. And so that's one way that we are, growing with this growing need of channels, adapting and trying to not just catch up. It is in our strategy to become leaders in this industry. So that's one way that we're doing things.
Very good. So you've obviously mentioned the app, which is doing very well. Can you just explain to us what differentiates it from other apps, and if there's any maybe new features coming along, what are they?
Yes, of course. Well, what differentiates it completely to everything else out there is its user experience. And we're using best practices like Google Material Design to put everything together. We're taking into consideration native behaviors on such devices. So we're not just creating something for desktop and then transferring that onto a device. We're designing, and design is really our business priority, and we're doing the same with web banking. So we're designing for the space that the customer will be in, for the channel that the customer will be using. So for web banking, we're designing for desktop, and for the mobile app, we're designing for those devices, for the app, for tablet. And other differentiating factors are the functionality that comes within the app. Again, there is one specific feature that we called the spendometer that helps our customers know while they're on the go, in real time and instantly, what they can spend. It kind of aggregates what you have as balances in all your current and savings accounts, and it deducts in real time what you'll be spending, what you owe in cards, in loan installments, and other scheduled payments. So that leaves you with the amount that you can spend. So that's another great feature. There are many such little features in there that make it stand out. And it's this attention to detail that makes it different.
What else can we expect to see from the app?
Yeah, so we're building an all-in-one app, and this is something that other banks haven't quite achieved yet. We're integrating a lot of functionality that usually comes out as a separate app, and we don't really believe in that type of concept and strategy for our mobile. We believe in building a lifestyle tool for our customers. So other features that are coming, and that's really coming soon, is push notifications. This is coming before the end of this year, and I would just like to leave it at that because to allow the element of surprise. And we're also researching mobile payments, given the mobile revolution that we have already spoken about, and we're at the research stage of how to offer mobile payments to our customers rather than whether we should offer mobile payments to our customers.
Regarding privacy and people's personal banking data, what can you say to reassure these customers that everything is safe, because we live in an age now where this is a hot topic, it's a big issue, it's made international headlines.
Yeah.
What's your opinion on that?
Well, banks are regulated institutions, and actually heavily regulated institutions, especially in the EU. So there is a great assurance that we are complying with everything that we need to be complying with for not just security, further than that, but definitely security is of our prime concerns.
Okay, well, thank you very much, Natasha. It was great having you.
Thank you for having me.
We look forward to seeing you again soon.
Thank you for having me.